We put this Fishmas Advent calendar to the test. This salmon took 8 minutes to reel in. He was no joke. I'd get him so close to the boat and then he would run out another 70 feet and I'd have to reel him back in. This happened probably 6 times. If you guys want some fun new lures to open up for the 12 days of Christmas, check out the link below. They're currently on sale, valued at $40. Wait till the end to see this monstrous fish. This was a fun one.
Where you can net him in the water.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We fucking got one. Oh my god.
Not yet, babe. I don't want to get it.
It's the best part right here.
My wrist fucking hurts so bad under here.
Try to put it under your forearm like this. Just keep doing what you're doing because it's working.
There we go. We're going back in. Got 20.
You tell me to go back there.
You motherfucker. Look out.